How to use Binance US app for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can use Binance US app for beginners, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to use the Binance US app, which means the Binance is of course also just a universal application itself. Now after you launch the Binance app, assuming you have signed up, logged in or something like that, the first step is there are two types of interface on Binance. One is the professional interface, one is the normal light interface. I'm currently on the normal light interface, but if you want to switch to a professional one, you can tap on this icon here and then tap on the pro option to switch to a professional interface, and just this is how it's actually going to look like, which is basically called Binance Pro. But I'm not going to do that for the context of this video, and to make the video much more simpler for beginners, I'll just go to the light option here. Now if you want to begin using the app, first of all you have to understand how to buy crypto, how to deposit crypto, and how to sell crypto. And there are different sorts of crypto, and you can see in the market list which cryptos value has increased. You can see Bitcoin has increased by 123% in the last 3 years. You can see BNB, you can see other cryptocurrencies. If you go and if you want to buy crypto, you can tap on this little option here and then tap on buy crypto with USD and select the cryptocurrency you would like to buy. Of course, I'm assuming most of you are going to select BTC. Select the US equivalent dollars worth of crypto you want to buy, and you can also select currency over here, and you can also select by quantity or by amount here. So once you've went ahead and then done that, you can just go ahead and tap on the buy option, and this is the amount of BTC that you will get. You can use a credit or debit card option in order to buy the crypto. If you want to actually sell it, this process is only visible after you have actually acquired some amount of crypto, and then you will be able to exchange that crypto for fiat currency, and you can deposit with fiat and cryptocurrency also if you would like that option as well. So this way you should be able to use the Binance US app for beginners. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.